Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll explain the different login options available on Windows 11, including passwords, PINs, fingerprint recognition, and more. If you're feeling confused about these choices, don't worry. I'll help you understand each method so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. First, let's talk about passwords. This is the most traditional login method. You create a string of characters that includes letters, numbers, and special symbols to secure your account. Passwords provide high security if you choose a strong one, but they can sometimes be hard to remember, especially if you use multiple accounts. Next, we have PINs. A PIN is a short numeric code that you can use instead of a password. It's easier to remember and is stored locally on your device, so even if your Microsoft account is hacked, your PIN remains secure. However, if your PIN is too short or simple, it may not provide a high level of security. If your laptop has a fingerprint sensor, you can use this feature through Windows Hello. It's a very fast and convenient way to log in without entering a password or PIN. However, fingerprint recognition requires compatible hardware, and it might not work if your fingers are wet or the sensor is dirty. Another option is facial recognition. If your device has an infrared-supported camera, you just need to look at your screen to log in. This method is very convenient and highly secure, but it's limited to certain devices and may not work well in low-light conditions. You can also use a security key, which is a physical device that connects via USB or NFC to log in. This method is extremely secure because you need to have the physical key, but you'll need to carry it with you all the time and have a backup plan in case you lose it. In upcoming videos, in the Windows 11 tutorial series for beginners, I'll guide you on how to set up these login methods step by step. Finally, Windows 11 allows you to use a dynamic PIN through the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. This PIN changes frequently, adding an extra layer of security. However, it requires you to have your phone with you and a stable internet connection. To summarize, each login method on Windows 11 has its own advantages and disadvantages. If you need maximum security, combine facial recognition or fingerprint authentication with a strong password. If convenience is your priority, PINs or fingerprints are excellent choices. And if you work across multiple devices, a Microsoft account with a strong password is ideal for seamless synchronization. I hope this video has helped you better understand the login options available on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.